LidarWorks main interface introduction. Hello everyone, let me explain the usage of GoSLAM point cloud processing software to you. The top left corner of the interface is the quick toolbar. The toolbar includes data import, data save, data download, system settings, and quick toolbar editing menus. The folder function is similar to the shortcut bar. Below are the functional areas: basic processing module, registration module, coordinate conversion module, mesh module, pile measurement module, sand ship measurement module, pipeline measurement module, hardware equipment module, panoramic module, digital asset module, forestry module, mining module, drawing module, display module. Next is the left column function area. The number of resources is in the data list column. Used for data selection, relationship attribution, adjustment, and editing. Property bar. Used to configure browsing settings for individual data. The central region is the data editing area, used for data browsing interaction and editing operations. Software settings. Click on the software settings in the menu to switch languages. Data import. Click the quick toolbar in the upper left corner to open. Correctly select the lower right corner to import data type or select all, and open the data that needs to be imported. Users with lower graphics card configurations can wait for multiple sets of data to load before proceeding with the operation after importing data. Software settings. Click on the software settings in the menu to switch languages. The first function of the sidebar is to pick the rotation center. After activation, double-click the position in the point cloud that needs to be used as the rotation center to reset the rotation center. The second one is the reset view function, which can reset point cloud data and return the center position of the view. The projection mode has two options: orthographic mode and perspective mode. Orthographic mode without stretching machine is suitable for editing and checking data. Perspective mode can penetrate close point cloud structures and is suitable for data browsing. Below is the 6-sided front view angle switch. Below are the EDL shadow mode on and off. When this mode is enabled, it can enhance the structural features and facilitate the differentiation of structural features. Finally, there is a quick switch button for elevation and intensity shading modes, where H represents elevation shading and I represents reflection intensity shading. Data attribute bar. After selecting the data, you can see the attribute bar of the data on the far right, which allows you to modify the relevant settings of the data. Display function. Adjustable data visibility in the editing area. Display name. The point cloud name can be directly displayed in the editing interface. View function. Used to switch data displayed in different views. The rendering method can modify the shading method. Choosing RGB is presented in true color mode. When selecting a scalar field, you can select the reference field from the scalar field list below and change the shading by adjusting the color type. Chromatography. The chromatographic distribution range can be adjusted by modifying the saturation value range below. Open the color ruler below to see the numerical distribution area represented by each color. Before enabling the X-ray mode, it is necessary to first uncheck the mobile suction function in the display settings at the top display tab to ensure that this effect is enabled after the point cloud is fully loaded in real time. This effect is recommended for users to use on computers with higher graphics card configurations to ensure smooth browsing. You can change the perspective effect by adjusting the ambient light The bottom point cloud information displays the number of point clouds, offset parameters, and global scaling factor. The dot size can modify the display size of a single dot, and adjusting the size can facilitate point selection when identifying points.